It's fantastic to be here in Haringey today to see some of the brand new council homes that Haringey Council are delivering. When Sadiq Khan was elected mayor in 2016, delivering a new generation of council housing was one of his top priorities, and as part of that he set up the ambitious Building Council Homes for Londoners programme. And this has turbocharged council housing delivery in London. We have gone now up to 23,000 council homes started across London since 2018, and it's boroughs like Haringey that are leading the way on this. I'm here at Hale Wharf to look around some of the new council homes that are very, very near completion. This is part of the 3,000 homes that Haringey Council alone is looking to deliver. And these homes will have a transformative effect on people's lives. It is an absolute scandal and a tragedy that across London, 1 in 23 children are now homeless, living in temporary accommodation. It is homes like these, brand new council homes that are genuinely affordable, which are high quality, which are decent, which have good space standards, which are going to make a real transformative difference to the lives of Londoners and to the people of Haringey.
I'm really pleased to be having a tour with councillors of our housing sites, and we're here at the Walter Tull in Tottenham Hale, and this is a 15-storey building. The flats will be finished in a matter of weeks, and it's been really pleasing to welcome Tom Copley from the GLA. We couldn't build these flats if it wasn't for the support from the Greater London Assembly, but we know that we've got a programme for 3,000 council homes. We've already got 2,000 homes underway, and shortly tenants will be moving into these flats, and we're really pleased. They're high quality flats, and they'll be very comfortable, they're very secure, and we hope our tenants will be very happy here.